Today I want to take you around one of the mills in Taiwan, made by Eclat, our biggest partner as a supplier. And here we are coming into their mill. Okay, so we're in the factory where they're making our fabrics, and this is where we knit the yarn. So let me just show you what we have. We have this circular machine that is taking, that's the lycra up there, and in the background you can see the actual coloured yarn, and it goes through this circular knitting machine. I'm trying to understand it, it's absolutely incredible. And JT is showing our guys how it works. You can see Sue and Roxanne in the background. So we're not really meant to video in here, but JT said I could. At the moment we're talking about yarn. This is the stuff that they're knitting into the fabric, and JT is just talking to our group. I'm going to show you.
So if we use the nylon to make the fleece, that will be significant avoid.
This is where they're storing the lycra, and I just wanted to show you the red and green line. If it's below the red, there's not enough, so they've got to get more, and if it's above the green, there's too much. So now we're inspecting the fabric, and every single bit of fabric that is made goes through this visual inspection process. So this is the explanation of what we're doing today, and we are inspection 4 on this machine. So it's a massively involved process, as you can see. JT is about to explain to us that the next step in the process is to relax the fabric, to actually give it a break, give it some time off. So here we go.
So this is the station that the fabric can relax, have a cup of coffee, and just sitting right here.
So it sits in this bay, not on its roll.
Yeah,
just to
relax. The reason I'm going to explain to you, because imagine that roll right here, the inside of the roll and the outside of the roll, the tension will be different, which means that the density of the fabric will be different.
Yeah.
If we don't do the relaxing, the weight distribution after its setting will be uneven from the front side to the back.
So the next step is for the relaxed fabric to go into this machine, which is feeding it with any treatments it might need, chemicals over the top, like wicking agents. And then, before it gets into the furnace, that is the end of the line going into the furnace. So this is the furnace. I've already been walking for 1 minute. It's the biggest furnace I ever saw, and this is where the fabric is basically baked. Oh no! So we just walked 75 yards of furnace, and this is what comes out at the end, a stabilized fabric, what they call a dead fabric. It was alive before, now it's dead and stabilized. So I actually found the thing I'm most excited about, which is there's a greenhouse outside, and JT is telling me that all these vegetables are being grown by the
wastewater treatment, recycling the water.
So he's recycling the water from the factory and growing veg, or the supervisor's growing veg. Who eats the vegetables?
I do.
Yeah, it goes to the family. It goes to the employees to grow the vegetables.
To the cafeteria, though.
It goes to the.
Yeah.
That is so great. Okay, Roxanne, what did you find the most interesting about this visit?
The most interesting thing was how they recycle quite a lot of the things. So that they recycle the wastewater to have a garden, and they're putting solar panels on the top. I just found it, so it was
awesome.
amazing, really awesome, yeah.
For me, what I learned really new today was about how the water content of different fabrics can affect the ultimate hand feel. That wasn't something I was aware of before. So.
Awesome, thank you.
My favourite part of this factory was how the fabric's dead until they set it with the heat, and then they say it comes alive. That was really interesting.
Awesome, thank you.